If you wake up feeling stiff, swollen, or sore, your body is trying to tell you something important. Inflammation is silently working against you every single day, damaging your joints and draining your energy without making a sound. This hidden fire inside your body can cause pain, fatigue, and even affect your mental clarity, all without obvious signs at first. But what if I told you there's a simple 1 minute morning trick that can calm that fire all day long? This small habit has the power to ease pain, reduce swelling, and give you more energy throughout your day, helping you feel better from the moment you wake up until you go to bed. It might sound too good to be true, but it's backed by science and easy to do. The best part? You can start this habit tomorrow morning. No special equipment or complicated routines required. Your body is sending you a warning. Listen to it and take action now to protect your health and improve your quality of life. It sounds simple, almost too easy to believe. But this habit truly changed everything for me in ways I never expected. It helped ease my joint pain that used to slow me down every morning. It cleared the stubborn brain fog that made concentrating difficult. It gave me back the energy I thought was lost forever. This isn't just a random tip. It's science-backed and proven by research. Best of all, it's easy to do and requires no expensive supplements or complicated routines. You can start this simple habit tomorrow morning, and with consistency, you'll begin to feel the benefits quickly. I want you to hear this like it's a personal warning from someone who's truly been through it. Unchecked inflammation is more dangerous than most people realize. It's not just about occasional pain or minor discomfort. Chronic inflammation is linked to serious health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even memory loss. The earlier you notice the signs and take action, the better your chances of preventing lasting damage. This simple 1 minute habit I'm about to share can help you fight back, protect your health, and improve your quality of life starting tomorrow. 1. It damages your joints without warning. That stiffness in your knees, hips, or fingers. It might seem harmless now, just a normal part of aging. But the truth is, chronic inflammation is already at work beneath the surface. Over time, it breaks down the protective cartilage that cushions your joints, leading to grinding, swelling, and bone on bone pain. This damage doesn't heal easily. If left unchecked, it can progress into full blown arthritis, robbing you of mobility, independence, and quality of life. What starts as a little morning stiffness could turn into daily pain, limited movement, or even joint replacement surgery. That's why early action is so important. Even small daily habits can make a big difference. 2. It drains your energy and slows your mind. Chronic inflammation isn't just something that affects your joints or causes swelling, it goes much deeper. Inside your cells are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They create the energy your body and brain need to function each day. But when inflammation rises, it clogs and disrupts these powerhouses. That means even after a full night's sleep, you can wake up feeling drained. You might struggle to get through the day without a nap, or a second or third cup of coffee. But the damage doesn't stop at fatigue. Many people begin noticing they can't focus like they used to. Simple tasks take longer. Words don't come as easily. It's that frustrating fog that makes you feel like you're not yourself anymore. That's not just getting older, it's your brain under inflammatory stress. The good news? Once you reduce that inflammation, many people report a clear mind and renewed energy within days or weeks. So if you're always tired or mentally foggy, your body might be trying to tell you something important. 3. It raises your risk of heart attack. Chronic inflammation doesn't just cause pain, it puts your heart in serious danger. You may not feel it happening, but silently, inflammation is making your blood vessels stiffer and more fragile. Instead of being flexible and smooth, your arteries become sticky and narrowed. This allows plaque to build up along the walls of your arteries, reducing blood flow and increasing blood pressure. Over time, this sticky buildup can rupture and cause clots. And those clots? They can block blood flow to the heart, causing a heart attack, or to the brain, causing a stroke. Many people never see it coming. They feel fine, right up until the moment something terrible happens. That's what makes inflammatory heart disease so dangerous. It's silent. It hides behind normal test results and daily stress. But the risk is very real. The CDC now recognizes chronic inflammation as a major contributor to cardiovascular disease, especially in older adults. So if you've been feeling more sluggish, if your blood pressure is creeping up, or if heart problems run in your family, pay close attention. This may be your early warning sign. The good news? Lifestyle changes that reduce inflammation, like anti inflammatory foods, gentle exercise, and daily habits like our morning lemon turmeric drink, also help protect your heart. Every small step you take today can reduce your risk tomorrow. Don't wait for a scare to start caring for your heart. 4. Your diet may be fueling the fire. You might be trying your best to eat healthy, but even foods marketed as good for you could be making things worse. Many processed foods, low fat snacks, and so called heart healthy vegetable oils actually contain ingredients that trigger inflammation. Seed oils like canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower are often used in cooking and packaged products. These oils are high in omega 6 fatty acids, which in excess can throw off your body's delicate balance and spark an immune overreaction. Your immune system sees these foods as irritants, not fuel, and it responds by going into defense mode. Sugar is another silent culprit. It may give you a quick energy boost, but behind the scenes, it spikes your blood sugar and encourages inflammatory messengers called cytokines. Over time, this contributes to joint pain, gut problems, brain fog, and more. Add in artificial additives, preservatives, and emulsifiers, and your body is constantly under attack, confused, inflamed, and exhausted. Even whole grains can be tricky. Highly processed grains, like white bread, cereals, or crackers, are stripped of nutrients and break down quickly into sugar, compounding the inflammation. The takeaway? If your body feels inflamed, your food may be fanning the flames. Start reading labels. Cook with anti inflammatory oils like olive oil or avocado oil. Choose whole foods over packaged ones. The fewer ingredients, the better. You don't have to eat perfectly, just make small changes that calm your system instead of triggering it. Over time, your body will thank you with more energy, clearer thinking, and less pain. The 1 minute trick: lemon turmeric morning shot. Every morning before eating, I mix the juice of half a fresh lemon, a generous pinch of black pepper, and about half a teaspoon of ground turmeric into a glass of warm, not hot water. This simple mixture takes less than a minute to prepare, but it delivers powerful anti inflammatory benefits that can last all day. The black pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric's active compound, curcumin, which is known to reduce joint pain, improve digestion, and support your immune system. The lemon provides a gentle detox effect, supports your liver, and kickstarts your metabolism. It's a small habit with big effects. After a few days, I felt more energized. Within a couple of weeks, my swelling and stiffness had noticeably decreased. This 1 minute routine has become a non negotiable part of my morning, and I encourage you to try it and see what changes you feel. Stir and drink. That's it. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful natural compound that has been widely studied for its anti inflammatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the joints, gut, and brain. But curcumin alone is poorly absorbed. That's why adding a pinch of black pepper is key. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, making this combination far more effective. Lemon juice adds its own benefits. It helps rehydrate your body after sleep, alkalizes the system, and stimulates your digestive enzymes. It also supports liver function, gently detoxifying the body and helping with nutrient absorption. When you drink this lemon turmeric combo in the morning, you're giving your body a powerful anti inflammatory boost, setting the tone for better digestion, joint support, and energy throughout the day. It's a small change, but one with wide reaching benefits. You're not just easing pain, you're supporting healing from the inside out. Try it consistently and pay attention to how your body responds. After a week, I felt more limber. After a month, I was waking up pain free. More ways to reduce inflammation today. 1. Ditch inflammatory oils. Vegetable oils like canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower may seem harmless, but they can do real damage inside your body. When heated, they break down and form harmful compounds that cause oxidative stress, which worsens inflammation and ages your cells. These oils are also high in omega 6 fatty acids, which in excess can throw your system out of balance. A better choice? Switch to extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even grass fed butter. These healthier fats are more stable when heated and have anti inflammatory properties. A small change in your cooking oil can mean a big difference in how you feel. 2. Eat the rainbow. Colorful fruits and vegetables aren't just pretty, and they're powerful. Each vibrant color contains different anti inflammatory compounds that your body craves. Blueberries and red cabbage are rich in anthocyanins that protect your cells. Leafy greens like kale are full of chlorophyll and fiber that help calm the gut. Beets improve blood flow and lower inflammation, while turmeric provides curcumin, a known inflammation fighter. Try to get as many colors on your plate as you can. Aim for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple throughout your week. The more natural colors you eat, the more support your body gets to heal and protect itself from the inside out. 3. Add movement, even gently. Just 10 minutes of gentle movement in the morning, like stretching, walking, or light yoga, can make a real difference. It improves circulation, lowers your stress hormone, cortisol, and helps flush out the inflammatory chemicals your body builds up overnight. Movement wakes up your muscles, joints, and even your brain. And here's the good news. You don't need a gym membership, fancy clothes, or expensive equipment. You just need your body and a little intention. Motion truly is medicine. The more you move, the more your body thanks you. Especially as we age, staying still is one of the worst things we can do. So even if you feel stiff or tired, get up and move a little. Your body will reward you with less pain, more energy, and better overall health. 4. Prioritize deep sleep. Your body does its most vital healing during sleep. At night, it repairs damaged tissues, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation. But chronic inflammation can disrupt your sleep quality, making it harder to reach the deep, restorative stages that truly refresh you. Without good sleep, inflammation can worsen, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue and discomfort that leaves you feeling drained and stiff. To improve your sleep and help your body heal, try taking magnesium glycinate. This supplement relaxes your muscles and calms your nervous system, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Creating a cool, dark bedroom environment also signals your body that it's time to rest and recover. Avoid using screens or exposing yourself to bright blue light for at least an hour before bed, because blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Remember, prioritizing deep sleep isn't just about rest. It's one of the most powerful ways your body fights inflammation and heals itself every day. When you commit to better sleep habits, you give your body the foundation it needs for long term health, more energy, and less pain. Make good sleep a non negotiable part of your daily routine, and you'll feel the difference in your inflammation levels and overall well being. I want you to pause for a moment and really think about how you're feeling right now. Have you noticed feeling more sore, more tired, or even more forgetful lately than usual? Maybe you wake up already hurting before your day even begins. If any of this sounds familiar, it's important to recognize that your body is sending you a clear signal. It's asking for help. Don't ignore these signs. They mean something deeper is going on inside you, and taking action now can make a big difference in your health and well being. And you're not alone. Millions are struggling with inflammation and don't even know it. But the good news is, your body wants to heal. It just needs the right support. So take this 1 minute step tomorrow morning and commit to it. After trying this simple habit, please come back and share your experience in the comments below. Your story might inspire or help someone else who is facing the same struggles. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on healing and wellness. Here's what we covered. Inflammation is dangerous but beatable. It causes joint pain, fatigue, heart risk, and mental fog. The 1 minute morning turmeric lemon drink can start healing from day one. Remove inflammatory oils, eat colorful whole foods, move daily, and protect your sleep. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Start slowly with just 1 minute every day, focusing on that single, simple action. These tiny steps might feel small at first, but they add up quickly, building momentum toward a healthier, happier version of yourself over time. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small it seems. Every small victory strengthens your habits and brings you closer to lasting change. So don't be discouraged if it feels slow. The key is consistency. Over weeks and months, these small changes will transform your life for the better. It's important to celebrate these little wins because they keep you motivated and remind you that change is possible. You don't need to be perfect or make huge changes all at once. Instead, focus on what you can do right now, today. Maybe it's taking that 1 minute morning turmeric shot or choosing a colorful vegetable with your meal. Each small choice adds up and helps reduce inflammation and improve your health. This journey is about patience and kindness toward yourself. You're building a foundation that supports long term health, one simple step at a time. Keep going, you're doing great. If this helped you, please subscribe for more simple health discoveries and share this video with someone you love who might be in pain right now. You're not alone, you're not stuck. You can heal. And it starts tomorrow morning. Take care. Your health matters.